This is Wild Earth BiTS and my name is Herman Gerber. We're standing here at in Philemon's Dip at the moment, and for the last 7 hours we had 95 millimeters of rain. So to say we had a bit of rain would be quite an understatement. Now this might be a bit of a different crossing, and I'm sitting in my Ford Bantam 1.3 bucky with no diff lock, no 4x4, no anything. I'm standing here at Treehouse Dam, and it seems like the water level got higher overnight, and the frogs are certainly also enjoying the weather. The water inlet to Bulvertuk Dam filled up quite rapidly overnight. The Mulwati River is actually flowing. Can you believe it? This river is actually flowing. Even Twin Dam is a proper waterhole now. When Simon and myself were looking for some more puddles to play in, we met up with these fellas down at Gowrie Waterhole. The elephants most certainly aren't complaining about the good rain we had last night. And that was Wild Earth BiTS. My name is Herman Gerber, and we're looking forward to some more rain.